Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, February 8th. For those of you attending the Money Show in Orlando, I'll be speaking there on Saturday. And for those of you attending the Traders Expo in March in New York, I'll be at that one, so I hope our paths cross there. Let's take a look at what's going on here with these indices. You can see the Nasdaq Market. I said I was looking for an unchanged type day, a little weaker with a shadow on the bottom, and that's what we have, but I wasn't looking for this size of move. Magnitude change here, just to give you that as a reference, for the Nasdaq is $3,800 a contract. I'm looking for Asia to get a little bit weaker, but I'm looking for a bounce to occur in Asia or Europe before we get back to the US. Now the Dow, the magnitude change here, because since it traded below its bearish level, is $2,600 a contract. Again, I'm looking for the same kind of behavior over here in the Russell. That magnitude change is $1,450 a contract, to give you that reference. Alrighty, so unchanged, I'm not looking for strong follow through to the downside in those markets. And the dollar continues stronger as you look here at the euro. Look at what's going on there. And it makes sense. There are some issues over there fundamentally in Europe, as we talked about in the advanced video. It is approaching levels that we do expect to see buyers coming into that market or that potential. So Friday should be a very interesting day for that market. A little bit of weakness, though, I do look for. And in interest rates, they did exactly what they should do, and that is they got capital flowing into them, and you're seeing some strengths. So the 10-year notes did firm up a bit. I do look for a little bit of a move to the upside depending on what happens in Asia, but an inside day to lower even, I think, is a possibility. Gold also got low enough to find buyers, but can it follow through? That's the big issue for that market. I do expect if buyers are here, we should see them on Friday. And in crude oil, it backed off. We got enough supply in crude oil. I think this is logical. Inside day to only slightly lower action is what I'm looking for in that market. And soybeans got a little bit weaker, but I don't look for a dramatic move to the downside. Basically an inside day on Friday. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again. And as always, take care.